Hello, today we're going to be making Puffy Sidewalk chalk paint with ingredients that you can find in your kitchen. I have pre-measured out the ingredients, so we're going to use 1 cup of water, 1 cup of flour, and 1 tablespoon of dish soap. Also set to the side, I have some orange food coloring. Instead of food coloring, you can use any color of paint. First, we are going to start by putting the 1 cup of flour into this big mixing bowl, along with 1 cup of water. You're going to use a fork or some sort of utensil, and you're going to mix until it dissolves. There should not be any lumps. Once your flour mixture is mixed and there are no lumps, you're going to add in 1 tablespoon of dish soap. You can choose to use clear dish soap so it doesn't color or mix in with your food coloring. Because I'm a baker, I typically have food coloring gel on hand, so I'm going to use some orange. I'm going to use a toothpick to get it out. And there you have it. You have a flour mixture with 1 cup of flour, 1 cup of water, 1 tablespoon of dish soap, and a little bit of food coloring or food coloring gel. All right, and now we're going to transfer our mixture to a baggie. We're not going to cut any of the corners off until after we have transferred the mixture. If you get some on the outside of the baggie like me, just clean it off. All right, so now I've only put about half the mixture in the baggie. Feel free to put all of it, part of it, or divide it up. Make sure that you get all the air bubbles out so that it's going to be easier to draw later. All right, and we're going to take this outside. Now that we're outside, we can cut a corner, a small corner off the baggie, and then draw a picture. So here you will see me cut off just a very small corner to be able to draw with.